Hi, my name is Mark and I'd like to show around our Ford Transit tipper truck 2010 model. Now going to have a look inside the engine bay. As you can see, it's very clean. It's only got 41,000 miles on the speedo. It's had one owner from new and it's got full service history. Now I'm going to be carrying out the final part to the video appraisal, where I'm going to be testing out the gears, the steering and the brakes. Now I'm going to be starting the engine. Start straight away, no dashboard warning lights on whatsoever, and I'm going to be going now for the road test on the vehicle. And this is the 2.5 diesel engine and it's got the 6-speed gearbox, which I'm now going to be going through. It's got great performance. It also comes with a spare key, it's got electric windows and it's got a tow bar on the back. Now I'm now going to be testing the steering. There we go. No pulling. And now I'm going to be testing the brakes. The braking, hands off the steering wheel. There we go, no pulling as well. Now that concludes the video appraisal of the Ford Transit tipper truck. Thank you very much for watching this video.